Hey G Squad, welcome back to my episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we got this cool movement right here, and basically what this is a foot mask. If you see the one that we got right here is from this brand right here, and this is lavender scent, and it comes in a pack of 3 of them. So I'm actually take off from the bag first to give you guys a better point of view of the product. Alright, so once we take it out, you guys can see that this is what the packaging looks like. And then right here you can see they probably got 3 packs. So if you guys need more, you can definitely feel free to purchase more if you guys need to. And for all 3 of these packs right here are basically the same thing and it works the same way. So I'm actually just show you guys what one of them look like. So you see in the back right here, they probably got instruction to teach you guys how to use it. So the first step is for you guys to clean and dry your feet. Once you guys finish that, you guys want to cut this open and then take the sock that's inside right here and slip it in. And then once you guys put it onto your feet and seal it up, you guys want to leave it on for around like 50 to 90 minutes. Once you guys do that, you guys want to throw it away. You probably want to wait around like 5 to 7 days and you definitely see your skin starting to peel off or the dead skin layer. But it depends on how thick your skin is or the dead skin. If after 5 to 7 days you guys still see a lot of layers on there or the callus is still there, you probably want to do it another time so that way actually moves everything off. But usually after one time you can definitely see results on here. And once you guys see like the dead skin coming off, you're technically not supposed to peel off the skin. But I know a lot of people are tempted to do it. So that is basically everything that's on the product here. Let me just go test this out to show you guys how it works first. And then we'll come back and talk more about it in a second. So let me actually open it up and put this onto my foot to show you guys what it actually looks like first and what the inside looks like. So when you guys first open up, this actually looks like inside. So supposedly this part right here inside is like a little sock where you can put it onto your feet. Alright, so once you guys take it out, this is what the product looks like inside. So I'm actually rip it in half first. So once you guys rip it in half, you guys want to put one on one feet. So one on the right and one on the left. And then mention when you guys put it on, you guys want to rub the cream throughout your feet on the bottom part. So that way actually can help you guys remove any dead skin and thick skin as well. So it looks like we need to get a scissor to cut this part open right here. So that way we can peel it open and put our feet inside. So it looks like we're supposed to cut this part right here. And you guys want to open it up. Once you guys open up, you guys want to put your feet inside. So you basically want to wear like a sock. And you're going to do the same thing for the other side as well. And then once you guys put it on, you guys want to leave it on for like 50 to 90 minutes. So I'm just put on the other one first. Alright, so once you guys put both of them on, this is what the product looks like. So like I mentioned, you just want to leave it on for like 50 to 90 minutes. And then once you guys are done, you guys can take it off. And if you guys want to seal the product, you can definitely use the tape that they provide for you guys to seal it back up. So we're going to leave it like this for around like 50 to 90 minutes. And then we'll come back and check on it. Alright, so I waited around like 60 minutes. So what I do now is to take it off. And when you guys take it off, you probably want to massage it a little bit. So something like this. To make sure you guys get all like the liquid or the cream or whatever that's on here, like the formula. Once you guys do that, you guys can definitely take it off. And then once you guys take it off, you guys can throw this away. Same thing for the other one as well. So you definitely have the option to let it fully dry by itself, or if you guys want to use your hand to massage all the liquid, so that way it actually spreads it out and dries faster. You guys can definitely clean it how you guys want to. And one thing that I forgot to mention earlier is the fact that the one that we got right here is a lavender scent. And the moment once we actually put it on, you guys can definitely smell that strong lavender scent on here. But when you see we actually rub it on here, basically all like the liquid or the formula on here is already all gone because it got soaked into your skin. But all we need to do now is wait around 5 to 7 days to see the results afterward, to see what it actually looks like and whether or not the actual product works to help you guys peel off any dead skin. So after 1 day of using the product, you don't really feel anything with your hand on here. But you definitely feel the ingredients that they use on here because you guys can actually feel the product starting to work. So we'll keep updating. I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done after a week. Alright, so it's currently day 2 and this is what the feet looks like so far. So you don't really see any on here just yet, but I feel like if you guys wait a few more days, you guys might see results on here. But when you guys actually move your feet around, you can definitely feel that it's working on here. It feels like some of the skin on here or the skin is starting to fall off soon. But this is a little quick update to show you guys what your feet looks like after day 2. Alright, so currently day 3 and I noticed some of my skin on my feet starting to peel a little bit. Let me show you what I mean. So if you guys look really carefully right here, some of the skin right here is starting to come off already. And this is after 3 days of waiting for the product to actually start working. And I also noticed some of the top part right here is coming off as well because when you guys put on the actual product, it covered up the whole entire feet. But the most obvious part is the bottom part right here. You definitely see a lot of it coming off. Whereas the side right here and also the bottom part is not fully coming off yet. So we have to probably wait a few more days and then see the result. So you see on the other legs right here is also coming off as well. It's kind of hard for me to show you guys in the video, but there's definitely a lot of the skin that's coming off right here. You can see how it's peeling already. Alright, so it's currently day 4 and I want to show you guys what the feet looks like now. So you can see on the side right here and also the bottom as well, you guys can definitely see the skin falling off or peeling off already. If you guys try to move it around, it definitely comes off really easily. So the product definitely works on this side right here. Let me show you the other side as well. Alright, so this is what the feet looks like on this side right here. If you see on the side right here, definitely a lot of the skin is coming off. So the product definitely does work. Alright, welcome back guys. So nice little test button definitely actually does work, actually works quite well. So literally after around like 5 to 6 days, you can definitely see the skin starting to peel off a little bit, which is definitely a good thing, especially if you guys have like tough skin or like dry skin, or if you guys have calluses on your feet. That's where one of these comes in handy, especially for like someone like me who don't really have much time to actually put lotion every single day, or if I forget, my skin definitely starts to dry up pretty fast. So that's where one of these comes in handy to actually move all the dead skin or the thick skin off, and also the calluses if there is any. But now to go unboxing and testing product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this part right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially if you guys have a lot of dead skin or thick skin or even calluses on your feet. Then I would definitely have to say that this is actually really worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have to one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.